Hi, this is Jay Mealy, General Manager and Partner at Don Mealy Sport Mazda. The following Mazda informational video has been brought to you by the Mazda experts at Sport Mazda.
To start the engine with an automatic transmission, depress the brake pedal. With a manual transmission, depress the clutch pedal. Press the push-button start after both the green key indicator light in the instrument cluster and the green push-button start indicator light illuminate. After starting the engine, let it idle for about 10 seconds. To stop the engine, shift the automatic transmission into the P position or shift the manual transmission into neutral. Then press the push-button start to turn off the engine. To activate the accessory position, press the push-button start without depressing the brake or clutch pedals. In an emergency, continuously pressing the push-button start while the engine is running and the vehicle is stopped, or quickly pressing it any number of times will turn the engine off immediately. To start the engine with a dead key battery, first pull the auxiliary key from the key and use the auxiliary key to unlock the driver's door. To press the brake pedal with an automatic transmission or the clutch pedal with a manual transmission, check that the green push-button start indicator light flashes. Touch the push-button start using the backside of the key while the green push-button start indicator light flashes. Press the push-button start after the green push-button start indicator light illuminates constantly. After starting the engine, let it idle for about 10 seconds.
To learn more about how we can help you with your current and future Mazda needs, visit livingwithmymazda.com. Thanks and have a great day.